Hi, my name is Grace, and today we're going to be conducting an easy experiment to display the physical reaction that takes place when Mentos are put in Coke. To conduct this experiment, it is essential that we have Mentos and a bottle of Diet Coke. It is also necessary that this Coke is kept at room temperature and is not cold. Coke is made up of sugar or artificial sweetener, flavour and water and preservatives. The thing that makes the Coke bubbly is the invisible carbon dioxide or CO2, which is pumped into bottles at the bottling factory, using a lot of pressure. If you shake a bottle or a can of soft drink, some of the gas comes out of the solution and the bubbles cling to the inside of the walls of the container. When you open the container, the bubbles quickly rise to the top, pushing the liquid out of the way. In other words, the liquid sprays everywhere. Scientists are now saying that the primary cause of Coke and Mentos reactions is a physical reaction and not a chemical reaction. Their explanation of this is a process called nucleation. All the carbon dioxide in this Coke and all that fizz is squeezed into the liquid and looking for a way out. It is drawn to any tiny bumps that it can grab onto. Those tiny bumps are called nucleation sites, places that the gas can grab onto and start forming bubbles. Nucleation sites can be scratches on glasses, the ridges on your fingers, or even specks of dust anywhere that has a high surface volume in a very small area. Nucleation sites are also necessary and found on the layers of Mentos due to the hundreds of layers of sugar molecules that are present. So to begin this experiment, we're going to quickly open the bottle of Coke, add the Mentos in, and watch all the carbon dioxide get pushed to the top, causing an explosion out the top of the Coke bottle. Because this science experiment uses just easy items that you can buy at the supermarket, it is very easy to be using with kids and also in science classrooms, as it shows the physical process that can easily happen out in the outside world. I hope you would enjoy this science experiment. I'm going to go get cleaned up and we'll talk to you later.